This looks fantastic in a mall parking lot. What's going on here? A van not in a mall parking lot? Ooh, that's deep. Okay, don't stop. See, do you see that drop off? That was good. Yeah, I'm spinning. Okay, so a rear locker would be nice right now. But yeah, the key is don't stop. So yeah, that's the mod I want, rear locker. I could feel it right there. Hopefully the back action cam is getting the sound good. That's gonna sound good when I was powering out of that sand. Piece of cake, and go down slowly. Let's climb up this. It's always fun. It's always fun using the suspension lift, right? That's the fun part. What can your van actually do? So, when you do like something like that, you feel like the lift kit was justified. I think that last one was a better climb. Fun stuff. Little drop here. Seeing the Geo, I had to go like at an angle. This one's pretty much, you could go straight ahead. Oh, this van's so big. Should I go straight up? You know what? You want to see? Let's see how good this suspension really is. Let's climb this. I got the power. All right, let's climb it. Oh, easy work, man. That was impressive, actually. Oh man, that was good. One more look where I took the van. One of my favorite spots. Perfect challenge for a lifted two-wheel drive van. A good overlanding vehicle will allow you to drive off the highway and find a random off-road spot, and then you could set up camp for the night. Like I said, this is not as good as a Jeep Wrangler or a Toyota Tacoma or a 4Runner in terms of off-road capability, but the trade-off is you have a much bigger vehicle. I could walk in between my seats and my sleeping area is ready. No rooftop tent needed. And this is much cheaper than an overlanding Wrangler or one of the Toyota overlanders like a Tacoma or a 4Runner. This is why vans make the best overlanding vehicle. Most of the time, we're not off-roading. So when I'm on a road trip, I could comfortably sleep at my van, wherever you're allowed to sleep. There's my sofa bed, I have my laptop set up on my table, space cooler, electric fan, 2 forms of keeping cool in here, electricity, more electricity, my fridge. I'm gonna sleep at this Flying J. This is my day off, and I'm enjoying my day off, hanging out in my van.